Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you're working with and getting tools ready. First, run UNAIM-R and LSB release so you know the kernel and Ubuntu release. Then list devices with LSBCI NNK or LSUSP to find the Wi-Fi chipset and current driver. Once identified, update package lists and install Build Essential, DKMS, and matching Linux headers so you can compile or install a module. These steps ensure you have compatible headers and a safe environment to update drivers. Next, grab the correct driver source, either the vendor's repository, a maintained GitHub fork, or a backport package. You clone the repo and read the README, then compile using make and install with sudo make install, or register with DKMS so it rebuilds across kernels. While building, check for and blacklist conflicting modules to prevent driver clashes. Once installed, update module dependencies and regenerate the initramps so the new module loads cleanly on boot and during kernel updates. Finally, load the new driver and confirm it talks to the hardware. Use sudo modprobe with the driver name and watch dmesc for firmware or registration messages. This shows the why behind success or failure. Then verify networking with nmcli device status or your GUI network manager and connect to an access point. If it fails, check rrefkill, ensure firmware packages are installed, reinstall matching Linux headers, or boot the previous kernel to isolate regression. This one troubleshooting tip often restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.